going to work with first dynamic provisioning. For that, we need to create one EFS dynamic provisioning file. Now, create one file EFS dynamic provisioning .yml. So I have collected some data from some sources. So this EFS full system dynamic provisioning plus syntax. This is all about. This is the directory param 700. We are giving permissions. So group ID starts with 1000. So group range end with 2000. So path, you have to provide path. So this is the access point for this EFS file system. So after creating this entire, after the apply deployment, after deployment of these things, this access point will generate automatically from EFS file system location. So for Villa, we need to change this file system ID as well. Here, EFS file system ID. Take the file system ID. Place here. Provisioning mode EFS mode. can check EFS volume, the document for CTL. We need to install CSI drivers. And only those things available actually. So find here. Again, it comes to Git. Deploy. So here dynamic provisioning. S- I'm finding file syntax actually. That's why. Here storage class. This is the storage class for EFS. So you need to provide EFS -AP. So these are the CFS drivers provisioner look. So you need to provide file system ID. So here directory permissions. So you can give base path and you can add if any additional components you can add these things as well. So till here I mentioned I have defined here this DB. Here dynamic dynamic provisioning, we don't want to create any external PV. So automatically this storage class will take care about PV. So just how much GB you want ask. So provide here 10 GB, not required 50. So storage class should be this name. So it should match this name. Then only. So next the pod. volumes, claim name, EFS dynamic PVC. So here you should mention this claim name, persistent volume claim. Claim you have to create. We have to create. This is the service for external access. So now deploy. You deploy -f EFS dynamic provision. So created. Check once PVC first. kubectl PV comma PVC. kubectl get PV. Yeah, bounded. See, automatically PV created. This is the generated by storage class. That's why its name is generated some ID. This is PVC. I have created PVC. That's why name created like that. So PV automatically created. That's why some ID generated. This is the persistent volume. So dynamic provisioning means clearly you can say in interview point of view. So when we are using dynamic provisioning, so automatically PV will create. So from that PV storage, we can create PVC, claim that PV, the storage from PVC. You can say like that. So మనం అలా explain చేయాలి. So now check once describe kubectl. Describe it is take PVC. Used by Nginx. So service using that service is used by, it is saying that. So 10 GB I have mentioned, dynamically providing 10 GB storage for Nginx. So bounded EFS file system storage class, dynamic storage class, and PVC. So here bind completed S and controller also S. So check this. Read write once access modes. So successfully provisioned volume from this PV. kubectl get pods. Switch to Nginx kubectl exec -it Nginx -bash cd/usr share Nginx HTML. So list out. So no data. Echo welcome for villa. So redirect operator index.html. So list out cat. So now this data we should access from browser. Exit comma svc hyphen u wide copy DNS access from browser. Now I can able to access this data from browser. So now successfully mounted EFS file system by using dynamic provisioning. So two more classes, two more things pending in volume, empty directory and host path. So host path you prefer or demonstrate. So that is only used for administration access, logs, monitoring, and back. So we'll understand later those things. And empty directory is used for sidecar containers. So how to create sidecar container for Nginx or any web server. So we'll understand those things tomorrow. And one more topic, ingress controller, and other topic, RBAC. RBAC is the king of the Kubernetes. Means role-based access control. You can provide access to the all team members. So this is about today class. You have any doubt? Hello?
No, Ram, as of now, it's good.
Okay. So this is the picture about EFS and EFS file system mounting.
Yes.
Once.
So you can give the names to the inside the boxes also.
చెప్పు చెప్పండి.
No, you can mention the yes, yes, Ram, correct.
So this is access point. So I'm recording. So this is access point created from the storage class, EFS dynamic storage class. So you can check with Google EFS size. So here, see visible now. You can see this. Hello.
నాకు ఈఎఫ్ఎస్ సిస్టమ్ పేజే కనిపిస్తుంది కన్సోల్ పేజ్ షేర్ చేయండి.
ఇదిగో సో ఇది టోటల్ ఫైల్ మనకి ఈఎఫ్ఎస్ ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ సైజు ఫార్టీ
Okay.
సెవెన్ థౌజండ్ 48,000
TB.
TB means 48,000 1 TB means 1000 GB.
Mm.
So 48,000 total. So entire company any applications you can mount this file system is enough.
Okay. So the best thing is EFS only.
Hmm.
Then EBS.
And after deployment, this these candidates, SRE candidates will take care about these backup things.
Okay.
This this file system snapshot to replicate to S3 bucket.
Okay.
So like that, they're maintaining data securely and consistently whenever want, whenever fetching data from application fetching data from the storage automatically data available. So when backup is there. So next empty directory and host path. So those use cases sidecar container and one more host host path. So volume concept is over.
Good.
So going to down all the resources.